Assalamualaikum. Now I show you how to change the temperature setting in Wise Hot Display Showcase. First, push the set button. The password is number 15. Set again. HH is the maximum temperature. LL is the lower temperature, 70. PP is the differential. So it means if you put the temperature is 80, 75, and then the return of heater is working is 73. This is a differential. So again, to avoid confusion, password is 15. Set HH is a higher temperature, LL is lower temperature setting, and PP is differential. And then set again for the save. That's it.